Welcome to Inforiver Analytics Plus, your all-in-one visualization suite for Power BI. With over 100 charts, KPI cards, tables, and Gantt views, it supports migrating from legacy BI tools to Power BI. In this video, we will learn how to create four-dimensional hierarchy. Before jumping to configuration, let's understand what is a 4D hierarchy. A 4D hierarchy means you're working with 4 dimensions in a single chart. These include axis, rows, columns, stacked group, also known as the legend. This ensures a more granular view of the trellis with expand/collapse feature. It is very popular use in business segments where they deal with multiple categories and subcategories. Showing them all together will create clutter and confusion. Because of hierarchical trellis, it groups them in meaningful buckets and enable easy analysis with good performance. Alright, let's create a 4D hierarchy step by step. Select Inforiver Analytics Plus. Drag and drop category data in Axis tab. Drag rows, column, and stacked groups, all fields in small multiples tab. If you have a large dataset, you will see an eye icon at the top. To expand your data limit, simply go to Others tab and increase No of Rows to 100. Finally, go to Pivot Data and drag and drop your values in respective fields. Then close the pivot view. Drill down the hierarchy for X-axis. Your 4D hierarchy chart is ready in just a few clicks. Download Inforiver Analytics Plus from Microsoft App Source to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.